Presenting Lexus LX 600 2024. The Lexus LX, known as a pleasure version of iconic Toyota Land Cruiser off-road SUV. The all-new 2024 Land Cruiser is now the smaller of the siblings rather than a mere twin. The Lexus, on the other hand, is unchanged and remains a full-size luxury SUV with proven off-road toughness. The Lexus LX 600 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that makes 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive are both standard. On the road, the twin-turbo V6 provides ample power and the refined presence that expected in a luxury vehicle. The Lexus LX 600 excelled 0 to 60 mph in 6.1 seconds, which will be more than enough for most drivers. The 4-wheel drive system includes a low range for when the going gets tough, although the fixed running board would be honorable in serious off-road scenarios. Most LX 600 models deliver a compliant ride. Inside the vehicle, the LX oozes luxury, starting with a wide center console between the front seat that creates a cozy cockpit environment. The quality leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped dashboard, wood trim, and smoke chrome accent imbue the LX cabin with the LX emblems. The LX dashboard comes with a 3 standard display, an 8-inch screen for the gauge display, a 12.3-inch for the infotainment system, and a separator 7-inch screen for climate and vehicle control. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard. Wireless charging is offered, and Lexus says audiophiles can upgrade the stereo to a 25-speaker Mark Levinson surround system. The company has made a new update in this model. The ultra-luxury version's car rear seat entertainment system now comes with wireless Bluetooth headphones. The entry-level standard trim comes with room for 5 into 2 rows of seats. The mainstream, premium, luxury, and F-Sport trims come with a third row that increases passenger capacity to 7. The top spec of ultra-luxury model is more for the chauffeur, set with a 4-seat layout that eliminates the third row and features dual recycling captain's chair in the second row divided by a center console, plus rear seat entertainment display and wireless smartphone charging capability. If we talk about the towing and payload capacity, LX 600, every LX 600 has an impressive towing capacity of 8,000 pounds. The fuel average is the main element in every car. Every car rating depends on it. The LX 600 gives a very handsome fuel average. It gives 17 miles per gallon in city and 22 miles per gallon on highway. The company reputation and rating depends on car safety features. If we talk about the safety and driver assistant feature of LX 600 is that a suite of driver assistant feature is standard on LX and includes automatic emergency braking. Rapid cruise control and lane keep assistant are also available. Although the LX lacks a hands-off highway driving system like the Escalade Super Cruise or the Navigator's Active Light. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian and bike cyclist detection. If we talk about the dimensions of the vehicle, its length is 200.5 inches, width without mirrors 78.3 inches, and height is 74.2 inches. Wheelbase is 112.2 inches. Cargo capacity, all seat in place, is 46 cubic feet. Maximum cargo capacity without seats in place is 71 cubic feet. The ground clearance of the vehicle is 7.9 inches. Curb weight of the vehicle is 5,665 lbs. The gross weight of the vehicle is 7,230 lbs. If we talk about the tires and wheels of the vehicle, the company has given all-season 20 inches tires with 20 inches alloy, full-size non-matching spare tire, and upper body mounted spare tire is available in the vehicle. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos.